Should is a dirty word. It'll lead you to failure, and there's a reason why I think this. Should is one of those words that people think is really motivating and forward-focused and positive. But in actual fact, should is one of those words we use when we feel we have failed to accomplish something. I should have done this by now. I should be finished with this project. I should have achieved financial security. So should, in my books, is a very dirty word because it's beating yourself up with a big should stick, when in actual fact, you don't need to be punishing yourself. You don't need to be setting yourself up for failure. And if you do keep going down the should road, what happens next? You set yourself up for depression, you set yourself up for burnout, you set yourself up to give up on your dreams. But there's a simple fix. All you need to do is replace should with could. I could have achieved this by now if it was a priority. I could have financial security if I sacrificed X, Y, Z. There's lots of ways that you can use the word could to be kinder as you journey towards your goals. And it's much less failure focused than should. I know this because I've been a parent for 10 years now, and I remember my early stage of parenting feeling very much that I should be able to cope. I should be able to get my baby to sleep. I should be able to juggle a new business and a new baby and a relationship and all the things that many new parents feel they should be able to cope with. And in fact, many parents don't cope with on their own. So it took me a long time to learn to replace should with could. I could have a baby who sleeps, but my luck is he doesn't. I could have a business that is easily able to nestle alongside new parenting, but that's an impossible dream. There were so many shoulds that once I replaced that word with could, I realised I was setting myself up for a really hard time, and I had to go easier on myself if I was going to succeed, I should say, at both business and parenting. So have a think about just how many times you beat yourself up with should when you could be a little kinder and say could, and then you might find that your journey towards your goals is perhaps a little less harsh. So be kind to yourself and you'll get there.